Hi, I'm Timothy Hamilton. I'm the Director of Parks and Community Services here in Watauga. And it's our pleasure to bring a new project to you all this fall. We are replacing the playground here at Indian Springs Park. It's built in the early 2000s and has been here almost 20 years. The lifespan for a playground is about 15 to 20 years, and we budget these expenses out at least 5 to 7 years in advance. And so we know the ages of our playgrounds, and we try to make sure that we're not taking on too much debt at one time for our taxpayers. Some of the new features of this playset is a cube that will be a little polygon right here on the right. On the other side, we're going to have a triple racer slide, so 3 people can race against each other, the kids having fun. We have received questions about what happens to the old playground and all of the plastic and metal, and it gets thrown into a dumpster and taken back to the workplace of the company who puts these in and installs them, and they recycle the parts after tearing them apart a little bit more and chopping it up. So we try to be as green as we can, as well as the contractors that work for us. We're anticipating it taking approximately 2 weeks, so it should be ready for the new year, starting after January 1st. Well, our next project is going to be at Hillview Park, and they'll be starting that in the first part of January. There'll be a nice new playground going in there with a swing set as well, since we haven't had a swing set there. 2023 is wrapping up. Here at Parks and Community Services, staff is hard at work at planning new events like Family Dance. The Family Dance is from 2 to 4, and the Daddy-Daughter Dance is 6 to 8. We hope to see you at one of these, because I know Watauga can dance. Yeah. We have our wonderful preschool returning to the community center. We also have summer camp, which will be back this summer. Follow us on Facebook at City of Watauga Parks and Community Services for the latest on all of our programs and events that are occurring in our wonderful city of Watauga, rated the 5th best in the nation.